All right, this is a daily video series of me documenting my journey back to $10,000 a month from zero, still at $0 for the month of my web and automations agency. So if you saw my video yesterday, it was about who to hire, when to hire, where the best places to find people to hire, and what the best countries are to hire. You can go back and watch that video. My voice is equally as horrible in that. If you really are a human and you have your business owners, clients' best interest in mind, then something that you will go through at times, and this never stops. We get stuck in this echo chamber of AI, and you're watching these software engineers and AI developers and all these different people online, the best in the world. It makes you question whether you're really the best solution for them, because all you're doing is you just build an agent that automates their emails, or you just build an agent that summarizes their PDFs, or these simple solutions. They seem small because they're not the next Facebook or the next Apple or these things, but I think you have to remind yourself that the state of business owners, it is much worse than you think. So I want to talk about in this video a little bit, traditional agencies versus your agency. Look at their website. They're selling websites, and this is their website. Like, look at this. Select a budget. How much can you spend? How much are you willing to spend on this agency? Under $10,000, they might even automatically disqualify you if you're under $10,000. $250,000 plus. You're telling me that these guys have contracts for $250,000 plus? Modern businesses need tech solutions so bad that they're literally paying these guys all of their profit. Honestly, I think a lot of times that people get stuck in this mindset is when you're actually out of the sales game. When you get out of sales for too long, you start to think that, oh, am I the best? Am I this? Because you're not actually daily, all day long speaking to business owners who actually really value your business. Because clients come to me all the time in ads, and I'm like, yeah, sure. Like, how much are you spending on ads right now? They're like, oh, I don't know. It's involved with my $5,000 that I'm paying this agency. I'm like, holy, you're paying them $5,000? And then they're like, yeah. I'm like, okay, let's break this down. Like, how much are they spending on ads versus how much are they spending on, the retainer? Oh, well, I don't know. I don't know how much they're spending on Google. I'm like, okay, you don't know. So they could not be spending anything on Google. I'm like, okay, well, how are the ads performing? And they go, well, actually, I don't know how the ads are performing. They don't really send me like the stuff, and I'm like, wait, hold on a second. This isn't even on your account. This is on their account. They're on their own Google AdWords account. You don't even have access to your own data. Like, yeah, I don't have access to it. So how can you do better than them? Well, actually use these things. Actually send weekly updates. So automate weekly updates, the cutting edge new strategies that you're implementing into your business to your clients as well. Just let them know that you're on the cutting edge of things that, if you're the first source of information for them, then they're going to trust you because they're hearing all these new things from you. Get on calls, weekly calls. You're asking them what's working, and then you're taking all this information from all of your clients, and then you're giving them what's working across your board of clients. You have a lot more value as a consultant as well, not only as an agency who's running websites. Create manager account. Then you link their account underneath yours, which is already their credit card is linked on their account. Because then they get access to their data. They can leave, they can see what you're spending. Honestly recommend ad spend is their own spend, and then you charge fixed $3,000 a month. You're like, I don't care how much you're spending per month, but I need $3,000 to run it. It doesn't cost me more money to spend more money on Google. So why do businesses still pay them, and what can you do about it? Businesses still pay them because they're desperate. And they come to me saying, hey, my website's down. Can you fix it? I'm paying this agency $5,000 a month, but they seem to not know what they're doing. And I'm like, you're paying them $5,000 a month, and their website's down. Like, that's insane. Why is the website down? Because they're using shitty WordPress things. They're not updating their 40 different plugins that they have. Like, it's literally insane. They're spending $10,000 a month on their office. You don't even have an office. You have some of the best people across the world working for you and no office. So you can charge your clients $10,000 less per month because you don't have a fancy office. Now, eventually, maybe it would be nice to get an office. Yes. You're using these softwares and these agents and these ChatGPTs to do what you would normally be paying an employee $60,000 for. $60,000. You're saving that by using fucking QuickBooks or like ChatGPT or Claude or N8N or any of these softwares. You're saving like literally hundreds of thousands of dollars by not needing to pay employees to do those jobs. It's insane. All these softwares, Apollo, like the agencies have entire people that are full-time paid to go through Google Maps and call each one. But you can set up an email campaign that scrapes Apollo, scrapes Google Maps, pulls the emails, million verifier to verify the emails, send out send out automated email messages with GHL or instantly, and then send voicemail drops with GHL. Like, then you can manually follow up on cold calls. But like, that's like someone's entire year of work, $60,000, $80,000, and you're saving that, on top of an office. How can you take advantage of this? Well, what you need to do is be confident in your offer, learn these things, be on the cutting edge, be passionate about it. If you're not passionate about it, don't even bother. If you're not techie, don't bother, because you need to be on the cutting edge. You're gonna be pushed out by people like me who are passionate about it, who want to learn about these things and stay up until 11 p.m. recording videos about what they're doing in their business. Scrape, like I just said, scrape Google Maps, talk to your local business owners, talk to your family, talk to your network, go to your local business meetings. AI is this big thing right now. So all those guys in your local community are wanting, they're on the edge. They're like, we know we want to be involved with AI. We know it's a big bubble and everyone wants to be a part of it. So you're their key to that. I know some people that are charging hundreds of thousands of dollars for single automations. And whenever I get discouraged about charging $3,000 a month for my automation package, I just text my friend and be like, hey, they're still paying you 250 grand for an email automation or a PDF automation? And they're like, yep, just signed another client yesterday. And so then I'm like, holy shit, like people are paying the insane amounts. So you have to look at your service as in you're helping them. You're helping save them from this agency. As long as you can do a better job than them, and as long as you can charge less than 250 grand, then you're doing more than them. So yes, you should be on the bleeding edge of this. Yes, you should be sending them the weekly updates and the weekly strategies and newsletters and giving them accurate ROAS and accurate ad spend and separating your ad spend from your account to their account, because then they get the data and it's not hidden behind yours and they don't just trust you, take your word for it, and you're not charging them $200 an hour and you're not actually and you're actually giving them results, and you're telling them and you're giving them consultation calls and all these things. You don't even have to do that. All you have to do is do better than this. Now, obviously you should do that, but the bar is low. That's all I need to say today. Hopefully my voice is a little bit healed for tomorrow. I can't keep doing this like this. I need to start doing Upwork outreach and filming videos for that, and this voice is not going to cut it. So that being said, outreach is starting soon. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.